Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Zelle to Cash App. First, open up the Cash App and tap on the user icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select the Linked Banks option. Next, tap Link Debit Card and then tap on No Card. You'll be taken to a page where you simply hit Continue to move forward. Now, to transfer money from Zelle to Cash App, you need to link the bank account that is connected to Zelle to your Cash App account. This bank account will act as a bridge between the two apps, enabling the money transfer. For this example, I'm linking my Cash App to my SoFi bank account, which is already connected to my Zelle account. Search for your bank name and tap on it. Once selected, you'll be directed to a page where you sign in using your bank login credentials. A verification code will be sent to your registered mobile number or email address. Enter the code in the box provided to proceed. A confirmation screen will appear. Just hit Continue and your bank account will be successfully added to your Cash App. Now, head back to the Cash App homepage, tap on the banking icon in the bottom left corner and click on the Add Cash button. Enter the amount you want to transfer from Zelle to Cash App, then click Add at the bottom, and you're done. That's how you transfer money from Zelle to Cash App. If you don't have Cash App, you can use the link in the description to sign up to Cash App, and we will both get $5. The exact steps you need to take to get your free $5 are in the description as well.